Greetings, it's Daniel Boudreau here from naturalmattressfinder.com. I've come across a couple of interesting videos here that prove the amazing legendary durability of Dunlop latex foam, and I'm going to compare it against the shortcomings of polyurethane foam. The first video I want to feature here is published by Mattresses.net. It's a company in Arizona, Arizona Premium Mattress. So they've got this amazing video here that demonstrates the amazing durability of a 50-year-old latex mattress. So they picked this up from one of their clients here. They replaced this mattress and brought it to their facility. And what they do is basically open up the mattress, and you see the Dunlop latex foam on the inside is still really resilient. It's still got the spring and bounce to it, and it doesn't appear to have any indentations or body impressions that you typically see with polyurethane foam. The polyurethane foam looks great in the beginning. It's super comfortable in the beginning. But over time, as it compresses, it loses its ability to regain its shape. Whereas the Dunlop latex foam stays resilient even after 50 years. The only degradation that he's seen is that if it's exposed to too many UV rays, then the material will degrade, just get the dry rot that any rubber material will get over time. So that is that's expected with basically any kind of plastic, whether it be petrochemical plastic or natural rubber. Anything degrades with UV light, but this one, it was kept out of the sun and in a nice dry environment, and you see that the latex is still resilient. There's no appearance of any dips or sagging going on. The other video that I came across is this poor woman that has a Serta mattress. A Serta mattress, I guess they used to make really good mattresses, but with so much competition, these companies need to make the mattresses look so comfy and luxurious, and they do that by adding this quilted top here, which is filled with Dacron, which is a fiber that they treat with chemicals to reduce the risk of flammability. So in order to pass the flammability tests, most of the polyurethane mattresses have a Dacron filling at the very top, which is treated with fire retardant chemicals. And below that are very low density layers of foam. Typically there are 2 layers of foam. I'm just talking about this quilted layer, just to achieve this really lofty quilted layer here. And that's the reason why you get these huge impressions here, is that the foam is so low density that it just can't regain its shape after you sleep in it. This is a 7-month-old mattress, and you can clearly see from here that there's a gigantic dip right here, and there's another valley right here. So she goes on to explain her nightmare situation here. See, she measures down, and she's really not pushing down on this ruler, and you get 1.25 inches on one side, and I believe the other side and 1 inch. So the unfortunate thing about this is that the company, Serta company, does offer a warranty with this mattress, but it's only for dips or sagging that is beyond 1.5 inches. So they're basically stuck with this mattress that's really terrible for their sleep, and she's forced to basically sleep on her couch. They spent thousands of dollars on this mattress, and look at the result. I mean, it's a fantastic looking mattress, but look at this. Even from here, even if they didn't have that ruler there, you could really tell. It's really obvious that there's a huge dip there. So they got 1.25 inches on one side. The other side is about 1 inch, and they got this mattress inspected by somebody from Serta, and they said it won't be covered by warranty because the sagging is not over 1.5 inches. 1.5 inches is huge, but It's just so unfortunate. So yeah, it's a fantastic looking mattress, but there's no point in it because it just doesn't last. It doesn't hold up. It's all just kind of to make it look attractive. It's got this really fancy covering and everything, but if you look in the inside core of what really matters, the materials are so cheap and are not that durable that after just a couple of months it will break down like this. So the next video I wanted to show was a company called DIYmattress.net that offers a couple of products and tools to refurbish your own mattress, which is kind of a daunting task as I look at them doing this. You'd have to cut open your whole mattress, put it inside a new cover, and that's if the components inside are still good. So it just looks like a really kind of a daunting task. So I'll just take you quickly through this one, just because they take apart the top quilted cover, and what's inside is pretty shocking. So right here, they take apart the top of the mattress, and there you get that Dacron fiber that's doused with chemical fire retardants. And then you have this super low density foam here that's like about a half an inch or an inch, and there are two of these super soft layers. So that's how they achieve that really plush looking top. This is just the top layer that's taken apart, taken off the mattress. And so you get the cover here, you get the Dacron fiber, you have super low density foam layer number one, and then you have a second layer of low density foam, and then you get the bottom of this cover part. So this is one of the layers that can completely collapse when you have one of these cheaply made polyurethane mattresses, and even the expensive ones are made like this with the super low density foam that over time, over a short period of time, I'm talking about less than a year, will start to show signs of sagging. It's the polyurethane foam just can't, if it's a very low density like that, it just cannot regain its shape. So that's why these mattresses show some sagging after a very short period of time. So they go on to take apart the rest of the mattress. It's basically layers of kind of gross foam that's been glued on there so it doesn't shift. All this unnecessary stuff. And they keep taking it apart here. I just wanted to show you the last part. So this is an example of what they call a cooling gel memory foam, and basically what it is just polyurethane foam with a bunch of dye in it to make it like with blue speckles in it, blue sparkles in it. Why blue? It's to I suppose give you the impression that it's a cooling foam, because blue is a cool color, and so that they put this for marketing purposes, I suppose, but I certainly am not convinced by this. So you get this blue foam here, and under that you have a hybrid spring system. So right here they have a spring system here that makes it a hybrid mattress. So a hybrid mattress is a hybrid between springs and foam. So the unfortunate thing about this mattress is that this hybrid spring system is encased in foam. There's foam along the perimeter of the mattress, and you get this gel foam on top. So it's all kind of glued together. And you wouldn't see this in a natural latex mattress. A natural latex mattress would just have the spring coils go all the way to the edge, because they know that their customers are focused on just the function of the mattress, and they just have other values. So they're looking in function, durability, and the natural aspects of the mattress. Somebody that's looking at this mattress would just look at how luxurious it is on the surface. If you're refurbishing this mattress, you can't get rid of this foam that's along the edge. You need this to retain the shape of the mattress. So what you can do with this DIY mattress company is order a new case for your mattress, a zippered cover, and order a layer of latex to replace the sagging foam layers, but it looks like a lot of work, and the end result might not be what you're looking for. It's sort of kind of a hit and miss kind of deal. It's not for everyone, but if you are interested in refurbishing a mattress, it is something that can be done. But I suggest that you definitely need a hybrid mattress that has fabric encased coils like this one, and these are more recent mattresses, so don't try to refurbish a mattress that's over 30 years old, because it probably won't have this fabric encased spring system. It'll be the springs that are all interlaced together, which is something you just don't want to start refurbishing. So there you go, you have the comparison of the amazing durability of the Dunlop latex foam, which in a mattress, if you're ordering it, a mattress from companies like Brentwood Home or Plush Beds, Avocado Green, that mattress will be a bit more expensive, but you're getting a mattress that will be better for you. It doesn't have any toxic chemicals. It has amazing contouring and pressure relief foam inside it, and it will last at least 4 times as long as any polyurethane mattress. So if you'd like to compare the mattresses that I recommend in the natural latex space, go to my website. It's naturalmattressfinder.com. I'll leave a link down below in the description. Right on my homepage is a comparison chart where you can filter the mattresses by mattress type. You'll get the hybrid or latex core. Latex core just means that it's several layers of latex to form a core, and the hybrid mattresses is what we saw in that video with the springs as a base layer. You can also filter by mattress thickness by pressing on this blue header of the comparison chart here. So thanks for watching this video. My name is Daniel Boudreau. If you'd like to check out some of the videos that I featured in this review, I'll leave them down below in the description. Thanks for watching. Have a fantastic day, and I'll see you on the next video.